Welcome! In front of me is LENOVO IdeaPad Slim 5, and in this video I will show you how to enable on-screen keyboard on this laptop. The easiest way to enable on-screen keyboard, if you have access to your physical keyboard or if you have an external keyboard connected, you can use a shortcut of Windows Ctrl O buttons, 3 buttons, Windows Ctrl O at the same time will enable on-screen keyboard. Now you can change the shape and size of this keyboard by dragging the sides and corners of it. And to use it, simply click the buttons that you see on your screen. The advantage of this keyboard is that it has a numpad on it, in case you need it. And to enable this keyboard from settings, go to Start, Settings, Accessibility, then scroll down to the keyboard section, open it, and then switch this toggle to the right, and this way you will enable the same keyboard. And if you want to have the keyboard close, you can go to Personalization, Taskbar, and then change this value to Always. Now you can close the settings, and now anytime you need a keyboard, you can simply click on this icon in the bottom right corner of your screen, and you'll get a keyboard like this that you can use just like the previous one, except for it doesn't have a numpad. It's still a pretty convenient option. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.